Hi there, friends. How are you? The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. And we'll wave hello to Vivasvan. How are you? Choo, choo. And we'll wave hello to Sarah. How are you? Choo, choo. And we'll wave hello to Mayan. We'll wave hello to everyone. We'll wave hello to. My name's Teacher Vicki. How are you? Choo choo. Look, my friends. The other day I read a story and sent it to you on video. It's called Flying South for the Winter. Now, the birds all flew south. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds all flew south for the winter. Do you know why the birds fly south for the winter? Because it gets very cold in Canada and they can't stay here. It's too cold for them. It wouldn't last through the winter and there's no food for them to eat. But having said that, there are some birds who stay in Canada for the winter and they don't have anything to eat. So I thought it would be a good idea to make a bird feeder for those little birds that stay here in the winter. So here's my little bird feeder. I thought that maybe I'd show you how to make one too. So here we have, I'm just using peanut butter. If you have an allergy to peanut butter, you can always use Crisco. Crisco is a cooking fat, and we'll just use it the same way as we'll use the peanut butter, but you won't get any allergies. And everybody has these at home. Who knows what that is? It's a toilet roll tube, that's right. And we're gonna use that. And I have a little box just so I don't make a big mess. And you can use a little tray or you can use a towel and then you can just shake that out outside and let the birds eat the seeds on the floor. And you'll need a piece of string. You decide how long you want your string. And some scissors to cut the string. And you'll need a hole punch if you have one, or just take a pen and make a hole. I'm just going to make 2 holes at the end of my tube. And I'm going to start by putting this string in. Here we go. Through my toilet roll tube. Birds, they have little feathers and they get very cold in the winter. They can't fly very far. And then there's no food because all the seeds have gone and all the flowers have gone. So we need to do our part to help the birds in the winter time. Beautiful bird feeder to help out the birds recycle and reuse, and now we have bird feeders to feed the birds. You can take yours. If you have a garden, you can hang them up in your garden. If you don't have a garden, but you have somewhere to hang up on your balcony, you can do that. But sometimes mummies and daddies don't want the birds on their balcony. So you can take them, put them in a little plastic bag, and take them with you to the park next time you go, and hang them in the trees for the birds at the park. Have a happy day, my friends. Bye!